Looking for long-lasting roof waterproofing solutions in Pakistan? Brooks Chemical Services proudly offers high-quality, professional waterproofing services across the entire country. With over 20 years of trusted experience, we use top-grade materials like Everseal, Elastomeric coatings, and Base Karachi, all known for their exceptional durability and superior waterproof protection. Whether you're facing roof leaks, wall seepage, cracks, or water tank leakage, our expert team provides 100% reliable and effective waterproofing solutions that are built to last. Advanced waterproofing application techniques, premium quality imported and chemical materials, highly experienced and professional team, nationwide coverage across Pakistan, complete roof protection with optional heat-proofing services. Don't compromise on your property's safety. Choose Brooks Chemical Services, Pakistan's most trusted name in waterproofing since 2001. Book your inspection today and safeguard your home before the next rainfall, only with Brooks Chemical Services.